Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to write inside a shape in Photoshop for two way. First way, now select the rectangle tool or rounded tool as you wish or use custom shape tool as your wish. I select custom shape tool and select the shape color for red, then hold shift for fix size and do not hold shift for custom size. Okay. And select the text tool, type horizontal type tool, text color white, text size Arial black and click inside or best way again create a new layer and type text. Write text inside. Write text and hold control, select text layer and click shape. Click shape and inside align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.